Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset all local group policy settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To reset all local group policy settings on Windows 11 computer, right click on go to search. In search type CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. In command prompt type rd/s/q and the location I have specified here, and I will give these commands in description. Now hit enter. Command is executed. Now type rd/s/q and system32 group policy. Now hit enter. Now you need to update the group policy. gp update/force. Now hit enter. The policy is updating. Now close command prompt and you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your local group policy settings are reset successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.